our life every morning. Yeah, this is my mom. And this is my dad. Yeah. Oh. Then you see this, guys. They have a lot of catfish. My father and that, yeah. Catfish, guys. Catfish. Yeah, they have a lot. Yeah. They have another any kind of fish. Yeah. And this is my place. Yes. Yeah, this is my place. Yeah. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. Yes. Yes. This is, guys. It's the view of early morning, guys. Yes. This is our house. Yeah, look at me. Our house. Yeah. It's very nice. Yeah. Oh, it's a very peaceful here also, guys. Yeah. The sea. Yeah, the sea and me. Don't mind my tooth because I have a toothache, guys. Yeah. Yeah, this is our early this is my morning here. Yeah. This is our life, guys, in her in province. Yeah. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. This is our life, guys, in her in province. Yeah. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Fish. Yeah. This is our fish. This is the work of my father every evening. Yeah, catch the fish. This is the no, this is the result. Yeah. This is the result. Yeah, if you very hard work, this is the result, guys, of your being hard work. Yeah. Do you have a lot? Oh my god. Thank you, Lord, for the blessing. There's a lot. Oh, yeah. So beautiful, nice. Oh, beautiful, beautiful sea. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh, wow. It's very nice. Oh my God. Yeah, look at it. So nice. All guys, thank you for watching and enjoy. Bye bye.